Hello friend, very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Digital Study, your true oil wizard. Today we will discuss the current affairs of 9 June with static GK. So friend, to collect the PDF of this lesson, please join in my Telegram channel. Let's start. Recently, who has become the new president of UN General Assembly? So recently, option B, Abdullah Asahad has become the new president of UN General Assembly. Very important question to all of you. Some information about this. He is the present foreign minister of Maldives, has become the president of 76th session of UNGA, that is United Nations General Assembly. So friend, he has become the 76th session president. He is succeeded the Turkish diplomat Volkan Bazkir. So the president of 75th UNGA is Volkan Bazkir. So second question of the day, which country recently pulls out the Open Skies Treaty? So recently, option C, Russia pulls out from Open Skies Treaty. The president of Russia is Vladimir Putin, who has signed a law that formalizes the Russian exit from Open Skies Treaty. Very important. The decision comes after the announcement of rejection of USA in this treaty. So that decision comes when US announced to reject Open Skies Treaty. So when we will go to the third question of the day. Recently, which footballer has become the second highest active international goal scorer? Very important question, and this fame is taken by Indian footballer Sunil Chhetri. Very important. So Sunil Chhetri is the captain of Indian football team. She has gained after successful overtook the star footballer Lionel Messi in the preliminary round match for AFC Asian Cup 2023 and FIFA World Cup 2022 jointly qualifier. So when fourth question of the day, recently who has announced to travel to space on July 20, 2021? So recently Blue Origin has started a space travel which will take some people to space tour. So first billionaire who travels to space is option D, Jeff Bezos. We know that Jeff Bezos is the founder of Amazon. Jeff Bezos, the founder and CEO of Amazon, announced to travel the first crewed flight capsule New Shepard by his own company Blue Origin. Bezos will be world's first richest person to fly to the space. The capsule goes up to 100 km above Earth. So when a new batch for the aspirant of West Bengal Police Constable and SI will start at 11 am. The person who is interested to join this batch, please join. So when fifth question of the day, the government of India in collaboration with whom jointly organized the international traveling exhibition Hunt for the Vaccine. So Hunt for the Vaccine traveling exhibition is jointly organized by India and British Science Museum Group. So option B is the right answer. The National Council of Science Museum NCSM under the Ministry of Culture and Science Museum Group, London, has decided to jointly organize this to narrate the story of the global effort of development COVID-19 vaccine. So when we will go to the sixth question, Indian Navy will receive 3 MH-60 Romeo helicopter from which country? So Indian Navy will receive 3 MH-60 Romeo helicopter from USA. So option A is the right answer. India and USA has created a deal worth 2.44 billion US dollar to buy 24 MH-60 Romeo helicopter. Lockheed Martin, the name of the company from which India will buy 24 MH-60 Romeo helicopter. Indian Navy inducted 3 indigenous built advanced light combat helicopter. This is very important. ALH Mk3. This is indigenously made light combat helicopter made by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. So friends, 7th question of the day. Which institute of India will start screening children aged between 12 to 18 ages for clinical trial of Covaxin? So this will recently done by AIIMS Delhi. The All India Institute of Medical Science, that is AIIMS in Delhi, will start the trial of India's indigenous COVID-19 vaccine Bharat Biotech's Covaxin. The development comes after it receives a go-ahead from Drug Controller General of India DGCI. So friend, we will go to the 8th and last question of the day. Which IT company became the third company to touch market value of 3 trillion? So recently Indian company, that is option C, Wipro, has touched the market value of 3 trillion. The headquarters of Wipro is Bangalore and it established 29 December 1945. The chairman of it is Rashid Premji. Very important. So friend, we will go to those questions which I provided you yesterday. What is the name of the capital of Denmark? The name of the capital of Denmark is Copenhagen. Second question, what is India's rank in International Hockey Federation? So this year India ranked 4th. And third question, India's best mega food park has inaugurated in which state? So this is inaugurated in Chhattisgarh. So open 3 questions of the day which you will give answer through comment. Who has launched a short film called Hisab Ki Kitab? Second question, who is the present Chief Minister of Assam? And third question, YONTAB scheme is launched by which state or union territory? So friend, let's see who came first. So friend, that's all for today. Please like and share this video, and if you are new in this channel, please subscribe this channel. So friends, thank you. Stay home and stay safe.